Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can fix Epic Games downloading speed. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's begin. First of all, close Epic Games from everywhere. Close the Epic Games application from the background too, so that the process goes smoothly. Now open Run by searching for it in the start menu or the integrated search bar. After it opens, type in the person, app data person, and press enter. It will take you to the roaming section. Simply go back one step from here by clicking on app data and then select local. Here locate Epic Games Launcher and open it up. Then just go to save and then config and then Windows. Here just open the file named engine.ini. You'll notice that it is blank. Type in the command that I just pasted and close it. Now remember to save it before closing it, and now just open your Epic Games application. Now if you download the game now, you can see that the download just boosted all the way to 3 megabytes per second. And there is another thing to do. Open the settings inside Epic Games and change the download throttle value to the highest you want. It's ensured that the Epic Games is getting the highest throttle available, and that's how you can fix your Epic Games downloading speed. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.